and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a few items to share with you today from DIYChoose. They were kind enough to send me some items to sort of share with you all. So we'll start with the little one that can be seen, and for anybody that knows me knows this is true. So I do love coffee, and as soon as I saw this, it was like, this has to be done. So this is actually a coaster. Oh, this is really nice quality. So this is on an actual tile by the feel of it, and then it does have a nice piece of cork on the back, and then we have a diamond painting on the front, or at least the symbols for a diamond painting. And then it does peel back and you get to stick the pieces on. If you are going to use this as a coaster, I would probably also seal it, but it does come with the items you need. So you do get a basic toolkit, and then, oh, these are in different little pouches. So you get some black, and it does tell you that the symbol is a black square. Then you get champagne-y type coloured rhinestones. Then you get what looks like just some white diamonds, and then some darker ones. So I think that's going to be my little this evening's project, because I like it. But there are a couple of different coaster things, but this one definitely grabbed my eye. It'd be nice to see what it's like actually doing a diamond painting on a coaster. So thank you very much to them for my little evening project. And then, oh, okay, this one is sticking to all sorts. So let's have a look at what this one is. Get the offending package out the way. Okay, so this one is a 40 by 30. But I ordered it just because I really like the colours and the image. It has come with a really posh toolkit. This has actually got a big white tray in it, even though it doesn't have a spout. So it's a big white tray, a pen with a grip and a multiplacer, metal tweezers, wax, and another, is that a multiplacer or a straightener? Get over. Oh, it's a multiplacer, and a 10 multiplacer as well. Looks like a 10, 9 or a 10. It does come shrink wrapped, and it is double-sided tape as well. But it has 35 colours. Ugh, get the bits off. And it does come in a round. So let's get that tape part off. So say it is 35 colours, and it comes in a round painting. Now just need to do a little bit of prep work because it is double-sided tape. I've got a piece of sellotape stuck to me. Get off. There we go. So let me just peel back some of this to help this to lay. In fact, let's see how far I can get away with peeling it back, and maybe I can show you most of the image. That just lifted up the double-sided tape when I moved it then, so I've just popped it back down and given it a rub, and that makes the tape stay where it's supposed to. Oh, this is pretty. There we go. So can you see, it's quite a simple scene. It does have quite a few different colours, quite a few different blues all mixed in with here to give the shading. But it's just the idea of a nice little ocean view from a little window. Would probably look very nice in the likes of, you know, a downstairs loo if you don't have a window. Look very nice through there. What sort of colours are we looking at? Oh, there's no 310. That's always good. There is quite a bit of 820 and there is a lot of 939. 939 looks to be the colour that we have the most. But let's just tip the colours out so that you can get an overview. As you can imagine, there is a lot of blues. And it's not quite a full white, but there is some sort of off-white type colours, some greys. Some of these will sort of form the whites. So 3756 can often, even though it is a very, very pale green, can often, when you've got a lot of blues, if you sort of mix it in around all those blues, it can look white. So that's often what I tend to find. We do have a big bag of 939 though. 820 is not too big. Big bag of 939, but I think there's a nice enough selection there of other colours. Say 35 different colours in this one, which is not bad for a 30 by 40 painting. We have got one rogue one, so let's just throw that in there. That's a later times problem. Let's have a look at the actual size. So this one is just over 39.5 by just over 30. So it is a true 30 by 40 size, but I just thought I knew it was going to be a lot of blues, but I liked it. I pick what I like. Same with this one. Now this one is huge. In fact, I might need to move the diamonds and the scissors and the tape and the paintings and the coaster and everything. This one is 50 deep, but it is 110 wide. And it was a painting that when I saw it, I just went, wow. I just really, really liked it. It has 23 colours. There is not much point in me showing you that thumbnail because I don't think you're going to be able to really see it. And it's not so much an image as a statement. And my battery's about to go in my camera. Okay, let me change that before I show you said statement because I don't want to spoil it. Okay, sorry about that. My camera for filming is absolutely awesome. It's highly recommended and I love it. However, the battery can tell me it's full when I start to film. It can then go to 2 bars, 1 bar flashing at me and off within 10 minutes. It's the only bad thing. Okay, back to dramatic unroll. And some people are going to look at this and go, why did you pick this painting? But oh, come on, look at this. Okay, we've reached the end. Now it is a round, which means I can complete it quicker than a square. But look at that for a statement. I just thought this would be, if I didn't have my blossom tree behind my couch in the front room, if I didn't have that on the wall, this is the kind of thing I'd love to have on the wall. You know, maybe when I redecorate, you know, maybe it'll be a matter of quite a nice neutral scheme and then boomph. It's like a piece of artwork. It really is. And yeah, I liked it because of that. So we do have quite a few vivid colours. Of course, because it is quite a statement piece. Very reasonable price for what it was. Do we have DMC numbers? We do. We have DMC numbers. There's 23 colours. There is 310. And there is a fair amount of it, but it is scattered. So it's a bit like, I know when I've worked on a few paintings from other companies, quite often it, you know, if it's scattered about, you don't so much mind that much black. But for reference for true size, if I untangle, I've obviously not measured a painting that long for quite a bit. It is 103 centimetres across. Get the diamonds out of the way. And it is just short of 44 centimetres deep. It is wow. That's what I think. It's wow. So we have some more muted colours and some blacks. Quite a lot of green, which is of course up in this top corner and down here. We've got some beigey browns. Oh, where do they all go? They're number 5, which is symbol I. Oh, that's all scattered in here. That's what this colour is, and this colour up here. Makes sense now. We have some purples, we have some bright reds and oranges, which are more on this side of the painting. Even more bright orange and red. Then we have some blues, browns, more orange, dashes of hot pink, and some really nice vivid blues for down in this sort of bottom corner. Absolutely love it. That one is going in my stash. Got no idea when I'm doing it. I'll put it on my let the app decide big paintings, and the app can decide when I do it, but I think that's going to be a proper statement piece. Okay, so to go back to the amazing items that DIYChoose sent me. So we've got this big painting, we've got a nice, calming, more subdued, but still equally beautiful square painting. That was, no, it wasn't square, it was round, sorry. They're both round. Yes, it's round. Sorry, round painting, nice, calm. Put it in a little downstairs toilet, or half bath as some people call it. And then we also have my amazing coaster, which is tonight's project, so that I can make myself a little coffee placemat. So thank you so much to DIYChoose for sending me these items to share with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know in the comments down below, is this piece of art something that you would put in your house or not? I won't take offence. It's not always something that I would say yes to, but I think I would definitely put this up in my house. I think the room would have to be quite neutral for it, but I kind of like the idea of changing the one above my bed as well. We'll have to see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.